Brown, and welcome to Home Ec. For this week's lesson, we're going to talk about the importance of staying hydrated even during a pandemic. Water is the best drink to help you stay hydrated. So why is water so important? Our bodies are composed of about 66% water, and water carries nutrients and oxygen to our cells. Water is the main property of blood, and it helps to convert food to energy. Water also regulates our body temperature, and they say that a body can last up to 6 weeks without food, but only 1 week without water. So water truly is essential for life. The Bible often uses water to symbolize salvation, faith, and provision, like in Psalm 63:1, where it says, "You, God, are my God. Earnestly I seek you. I thirst for you. My whole being longs for you in a dry and parched land where there is no water." So perhaps you could do a word study on water and send me your favorite verse. So our bodies need water to function properly. And because our bodies lose water all day, it's important to continually replace water throughout the day. Today, we're going to make infused water. Infused means to soak in liquid to extract the flavor or to steep without boiling. We're going to use fruits and vegetables to infuse our water today. And always remember to wash your fruits and vegetables before you use them to wash off any bacteria. So infused water is a healthy way to stay hydrated because there is no added sugar, no added salt, fat, caffeine, or calories. So I have an infusion pitcher right here. It's a clear pitcher with a removable rod, infusion rod, and this rod is where you place your fruits and vegetables. If you don't have an infusion pitcher, you can use any beverage container, even a mason jar. So the best thing about infused water is you can make it any way you like. You can experiment with different flavor combinations. In my refrigerator, I had some lemons, some limes, some oranges. I had a pineapple. I had some cucumber. I had some blueberries and some blackberries. And in my herb garden, I have some mint, some lemon balm, and some rosemary. You could also use strawberries, grapefruits, cherries, raspberries, just anything that you have, or anything that you like. So all you have to do is cut the fruit and place it in the infusion rod. So today, I think I'm going to make mine with orange. Now, if you're using citrus, you can leave the skin on if you're going to drink it in a few days. Otherwise, peel the citrus to avoid a bitter taste. So today, I think I'll use lemon and lime. See, I've cut the lemon and the lime differently. Sometimes I'll just squirt a little bit of lemon into the water, and then I'll add that lemon. There we go. I'm going to add a little bit of lime. I'm going to add some orange. I'll slice my orange. Just like this. There we go. And I'll also add, I think I'd like to add some mint to mine. Just I'll garnish mine with a little bit of mint. And here's to staying hydrated during a pandemic. Enjoy.